Okay, hi, it's Mikey. This is the machine I've been retrofitting and posting pictures and some videos about here recently. Tonight I got it running, so I was going to show you a little demo. That's the M3 command. That starts the spindle head. And then if I enter another one with a different speed, it speeds up. Then I can issue a command to stop it. Just keep counting down the amount of hertz. Alright, and then the axis. I got some tuning to do. The speeds aren't correct, and distance, turns per inch needs to be adjusted as well. But I'm able to move all the axes. You see the x-axis, which is the one there on top, moving. The z-axis is the long one. So focus a little better here. You can see it actually moving. Turn the screw. Anyways, this is what I do a lot in my spare time. Have a good night.